Hey, Assalamualaikum everyone. So in the Discord, some members are actually posting, and I actually saw this post that Ethereum meme coin PEIPEI price rally is 45% in the past 24 hours, and that has been huge. In yesterday's video, I told you that on the RSI we have a falling wedge, and I showed you that falling wedge. So here it is, okay. Falling wedge. This is actually more better on the 4-hour time frame. So you can see that you literally just broke from the falling wedge, and look at that, move to the upside. Right now, basically the technical target of that is actually up right over here. So that depends how much you're going to rally, right? And the higher you go, that's your luck. But the thing is that once you do end up coming up here, which you're meant to, then that's it, right? That's the place where it could be time to exit one more time. So you just made it up until the middle, and we're just looking for another surge to the upside. Maybe another 45% can be on the cards. Now, based on the fibs, I am still looking for 0.618, hopefully in the future, which has not been met. And that's also important because up here, if you do actually make it up to 0.024, there is this head and shoulders resistance right over here. Okay, so I do expect it to just climb up to nearly this target, up to 0.02534. I actually really expect it because when you broke below this head and shoulder, you didn't really backtest to go down, right? So all you did, you just broke down and you just crash all the way down, and now you're trying to go back up. So it does look like this coin has dirty retest in sights, right? So even the other meme coin Brett is doing the same thing. So it looks like all the meme coins are going for the dirty retest at the moment. And right over here, you might just actually come up a little bit and get to retest at 2523. And do check the first comment of this video in order for you to get an invitation link to Discord. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.